I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first, let's open a list of all applications and go to the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Now find and pick Reset. And the fourth option is Factory Data Reset. So this reset, it will reset your phone to factory default settings. It will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. Click on it if you want to perform it. As you can see here, you've got detailed information, so all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music and pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content, and the description key for files on SD card. If you truly want to perform it, click on Reset. Now you have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone, and if you truly want to do it, click on Delete All. And now just wait a while, your device will wipe all data and then you will be able to use it as a new one. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you can set up your device as a new one. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.